honey lemon mutton, a blend you may not have encountered before, but I assure you, after trying this recipe, it will become one of your favorites. Let's delve into the art of crafting this delectable dish. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Commence by marinating 1.5 kilos of boned mutton. In the marinade, add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of danya jeera, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Ensure a thorough mixing and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a medium heated pan, add a 1/4 cup of oil. Introduce the marinated meat and fry it well, a minimum of 10 minutes. Continuously move the meat about to allow it to attain a rich color while sealing in all the delightful spices. Once the meat has achieved the desired color, add 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 2 hours until the meat is tender and most of the water has evaporated. If there is excess liquid, turn up the heat and braise for a few minutes. Now, add 6 fresh chilies and a squeeze of 2 whole lemons, giving it a good mix. Also add in a teaspoon of red chili powder. The star of the dish is 1/2 cup of good quality honey. Pour it over and incorporate it into the dish. Cover with a lid and let it cook on low for an additional 15 minutes. Don't forget to sprinkle 1 tablespoon of garam masala over the top. It truly makes a difference. Allow it to cook for a few more minutes. Finish off the dish with a sprinkle of fresh coriander. There you have it. Honey lemon mutton, an absolutely delicious dish with sweetness, spiciness and zestiness from the lemon. It's truly a marvel of a dish. Serve it with fresh naan or roti. I promise that once you make this dish, it will become a regular in your culinary repertoire. Thank you for joining me once more. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and will be making it soon. Feel free to leave a comment about what you would like to see next in our culinary adventures. Happy cooking!